How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 25.1 Wall Unit Louver Door. Let's start. Duplicate wall unit 1 door from our previous tutorial. Copy, paste, and rename the file Wall Unit 1 Door Louver. Okay, open the file, rename door panel plane 2 to door panel louver. Okay, expand, rename the type to door panel louver. Okay, next, open door panel louver from our previous tutorial. Open, select the pull handle, go to properties, graphics, visible, pick the button, create new parameter, name it pull handle on off. Okay, save the family, then load into the project. Load, select to wall unit 1 door louver. Okay, override the existing version. Okay, select the door panel louver, go to edit type and uncheck pull handle. Okay, now let's test the parameter. Change the width to 400 millimeter. Okay, go back to 600, change the depth to 500 millimeter. Okay, good. Go back to 350, apply. Okay, zoom to fit. Okay, save the family. Let's test the family. Load into the sample project. Click, select the wall unit, spacebar to rotate. Okay, go to level 1. Okay, align, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge, select the wall unit, mirror, select the center of the cooktop, mirror, select this line, mirror, select this line. Okay, back to 3D, check, done. Thank you.